afternoon. My name is Angie Milena Jocoerazo. This is my identification. I am 23 years old. I am from Pasto Nariño. My family is made of my parents and my two brothers. I am the only woman and we are very close. I like to the sport, to the gym, jog with my personal trainer. I love eating pizza and ice cream. I don't like drink liquor and dance. I don't like go to parties. I don't like go to movies. My time normally starts at the 6 in the morning. I do sports. I train until 8 and I work in the gym. I am personal trainer. At non-lunch and again, I go to the gym and work with my students until 9 at night and end up sleeping at the 11 o'clock after drinking my protein. Thank you very much.